Hello, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I want to share with you a sweet recipe for little ones. Quinoa, almond, banana, baby muffin. It's a vegan recipe and it's appropriate for babies starting from around 6-7 months of age. It's a lovely idea for breakfast and also if you're following the baby-led weaning method. I was looking for a naturally sweet with a delicate taste without refined sugar recipe, and I think I got it. Let's start together our muffin recipe. First thing to do, we are going to mix our chia seeds with the water. We're going to mix and we're going to set it apart. In a large bowl, we are going to mix the dry ingredients, starting from the almond flour, the quinoa flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and the unsweetened coconut. Let's take the chia bowl back. You will notice that the chia with the water will form a kind of gelatin paste. That's the egg substitute for our recipe. Now we're going to add all the other wet ingredients: the maple syrup, the coconut oil, the vanilla, and the mashed banana. It's time to combine the wet mixture to the dry mixture, slowly and very well. My mini muffin tin is ready to be filled. I'm going to scoop 1 tablespoon of mix in each hole, and then I'm going to bake my mini muffins in the preheated oven at 350 degrees for 16-20 minutes. You will see them raising and getting nice and golden on top. This is a super delicate recipe. I really like the chia flour taste mixed together, balanced together with the almond flour taste. So we have an earth flour and a nutty flour combined, and I think they really work great together. Also, this recipe is good for babies, but it's perfect for adults too. I use it in my lunchbox for my kids, and also I serve it to friends when they come. I really hope your little one will enjoy this recipe too. If you're looking for similar ones, simply check all the links in the area here below. That's also where you can leave me comments, and most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's free, it's totally free, and you will receive every week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!